Hello guys. Well, good morning. I'm just wake me up. Just woke up. Yeah, so today it was raining.
I just woke up too.
We're trying to go into the walk yesterday, but it was too late. We're tired.
Yeah.
And so we're just gonna stay for right now here today for the rest of day. But if it was raining though.
See, I see a little waves.
Yeah, it was.
Raindrops are making.
It was raining today. Cannot. Hopefully it was stopped. Yeah.
We really want to go to the beach.
This is our third day here.
Water day. That's why we have a bunch of
Yeah,
water.
it's.
Where are you going?
Where are you going? Where are you going? It's cold. Oh Lord, cold.
Toboggan.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's cold. I feel that cold. Yeah, so this one we're gonna use our coffee today. So coffee co blanca. This was yesterday we bought.
Cloud.
Huh?
The cloud too.
What cloud?
The like you said it tastes like the Hershey's in the Philippines.
Yeah, no, the white. Yeah, it's a white blanco. It was
There we
like
go.
milk chocolate.
I brought this. It's my thick toboggan.
Okay,
Here's one.
all right.
And long.
Where about that?
Okay, woo. Let's go there. Yeah, so yeah, see you a little bit, guys. So, but it is right now. It's beautiful there.
You remember, Mommy, the cloud too? The like you said that tastes like the Philippines Hershey.
Yeah. So right now I'm here outside. It's so windy and cold. So guys, yep. Oh my God, see.
Why are you out here?
Marky, why you walk over there? So like that, guys. Oh my God, scary. So yeah. Woo.
Why are you out here, Mommy? Huh?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Why are you out here?
It's cold there.
Why are you out
Woo. It's cold, guys. It's a beautiful sun there.
Mommy, imagine if someone was just doing exercises and doing push-ups,
Yeah.
jumping jacks, crunches, right there, on the beach, sand, right there. You want to be Shang Chi.
Our breakfast today. So we made a coffee, Coffee Co Blanca, and that's him. Slowly, baby's hot.
Super hot.
Slowly. So the one for him. This one is mine there.
Mommy got.
And what is
toast.
yours?
French toast.
I
You got regular toast.
Oh,
toast.
all right.
Bacon.
Looks
eggs.
yummy.
Don't know what that is.
Yeah. So I'm
Hey,
making my coffee here. That one. My coffee go. I put already half of this. I like one more for this. So it was strong. Yeah, strong. So yeah. So I put half already, then I put some more. That one. Oh, that's so good. I like that one. It's gonna be good.
I'm not looking for solutions. I'm looking for more excuses. I'm telling my kids, we got supply chain issues here. May not be as great as last year. Now we've got some hopefully not watching. All right, we do have some snow across parts of the Northeast. We mentioned this yesterday. North of I-90 mostly, and New London, New Hampshire, they have snow.
That's good. Yeah. So that's it, guys.
This is the chance of seeing a white Christmas.
Alrighty.
So on average, and I think we can bump these chances here on the west a little bit, and maybe not.
It's gonna be mine.
Here on the east, because temperatures are over the next 5 to 10
This
days.
wasn't no $5.99 on you out of your mind. You know what? I think we did pass a Denny's. Didn't we pass a Denny's?
Yes.
Yeah, we're going to Denny's tomorrow. I'm gonna find a Denny's before we leave. Yeah. For $5.99, oh, out of your mind, that'd be a
So
lot.
this one
cheaper.
is 9, 10, 10, almost $10. That one here is $13, $14. My goodness.
It's cost the same price as our Filipino breakfast. 30 cents, 30, like 34, with a 10% discount, like $34.
Yeah, Filipino breakfast is my god.
It was good though. It was good. I liked every bit. The corned beef hash.
So what do you think the Filipino
I
breakfast?
loved it. I would like to have some more from my beautiful wife. Hopefully we'll get back home and safely. I
wanna make me that.
Go to the Asian market and get some Filipino. We'll get some longanisa.
Longanisa.
corned beef hash, and you make the garlic rice.
Corned beef, not hash. I wanna make like corned beef hash, but the different one, the Filipino version.
Yeah, I would love for you to make that for me, you and Mark.
So what do you think, Marky, about the...
Filipino breakfast. Well, sure, you have Filipino breakfast, Mark, but...
What do you think
from a
about the
restaurant.
Filipino breakfast?
Yummy.
Yummy? What you can tell about yummy?
Good.
Good. Good. So yeah.
Good.
So this is mine. There's a syrup in here. Oh yeah.
Yes, it's right there, and then
The
that's
syrup.
butter.
Okay, not too bad. Oh my god. Yeah. Yep. So we have meeting tonight, right? Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna put that later.
Your choices are emeralds, hearts.
I buy mommy real jewelry, no fake. Well, when it comes to real jewelry. No, I was telling Mark, I said, I buy mommy real jewelry. I love mommy.
What did you buy for me?
I said, I buy you real jewelry.
Jewelry.
Yeah, I just passed it. What was it?
Where?
QVC. Doggone, can't find it.
Where's your water? Here.
I buy mommy real jewelry. I love the season we decided. Oh, mommy ring.
When did you buy me?
3 years ago.
10-year journey to reach back to the top.
breakfast kind of reminds me back home. Kind of reminds me of a country biscuit.
Yeah, kinda.
Because at BMW, we know every home looks different. So we created the ultimate whatever your own home looks like machine.
Where's my grapes?
You see the difference between $2,500 beginning your trip.
Guys, got hair loss? I know what you're thinking. Should I shave my head? Comb it over?
Do you put that French yours?
I don't know. Let me see.
This is a 1970.
Okay.
I guess I choose this one. Let me see that yours. I don't know. That's better than
Experts to give you
I can give you some of this.
back permanently. Check them out
Huh?
today because they're giving
I
away
don't
an
like it.
absolutely free information kit and a free gift card to everyone who texts CARE to 234-234. Dude, you don't have to look like your dad because this isn't your dad's hair loss treatment. People all over the country trust Bosley because they're ahead of the curve. They use the latest technology to give you your real hair back. And the best part, Bosley's permanent solution is protected by the Bosley guarantee. Let them show you for free how awesome your hair will look with absolutely free
What is this?
and a gift card for $250
Butter.
Text
Oh, butter.
234-234. Ask about the Bosley guarantee. That's CARE to 234-234.
Belief doesn't wear pads. It doesn't get a helmet.
Okay, what are you feeling?
And
Eating.
yet every week,
Oh no, you don't
we
get
send it out here. And sometimes it gets crushed. But if it lives on, belief only grows
you don't get grits.
until it's strongest.
You get the French toast, eggs, and
Alabama,
bacon,
Cincinnati, Michigan versus
or meat of your choice.
one of these
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so that's right. So they made that. I double checked it. It said what 700 special.
You like the coffee
These challenges are
so far?
I love the coffee.
heroes devote their skills, time, and sometimes their
Me too. I miss this.
Coffee don't feel like yours.
Our only places, theirs are stories of service.
Kubico.
Here in Virginia,
For lovers. For lovers, no.
town hero.
Well, that one,
For in love.
is that one of the commercials they had?
No. For colder.
Quality product at the best price anywhere. I'm Linda Craddock.
No, that's my self
Oh, you just making it up. That sound like a real commercial.
And creamy. It's creamy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ever wonder where that jewelry came from?
Mm.
Here's the secret. It
Like
all
that.
came from retail jewelry stores, and now it's here at half the price. Yep, half the price. Google Linda Craddock Pawn Shop for our store near you.
Welcome back to Highlights from the Pro.
Sports at AM on this Sunday morning.
Darren Williams.
That's Darren Williams, NBA point guard, longtime NBA point guard. Frank Gore, longtime NFL running back, and they are boxing. And Williams has MMA training, and Frank Gore,
Oh!
running back. Williams puts him through the ropes. And Gore took all of it. If this thing went the distance, Williams would defeat Gore.
He
via
just
split
missed.
decision. Gore gave as good as he got in some of these rounds, but Darren Williams,
Missed his
it's
head.
fun race.
Point.
2015 of the NFL season began.
Oh, Darren Williams beating the brakes off Frank Gore.
Between 15 and 16, we get 8 days of NFL over 10 days. Yes, please. Those who what has landed us in that situation. I mean, the COVID-19 lists this week, they exploded in a lot of sports.
Steph and Draymond didn't play last.
Stars on that list. 24 total. To not be impacted was sort of the win this week. Now the Cowboys would like to get another W. Let's huddle up, starting Denver.
The fragrance that
Dak Prescott flatly told his teammates, it's time to turn it on. He needed to see
Oh,
a
Cowboys.
different game for Prescott and the Cowboys offense. Last place Giants have the defensive roster between
Is NFL big in the Philippines or not really? Like football, like this, like the NFL, National Football League.
I don't know.
Daniel Jones might be shut down for the
How about
season.
basketball?
Motivation should be a challenge for the Giants.
Basketball's big, boxing's big,
Rather than
soccer.
the performance of the entire season in week 5 against the Giants.
No.
Those are the three major sports that are big in Mommy's home country.
Pete Delali rushed for more than 100 yards. His last such game of the season.
It's a little bit bright now.
Is it bright now? Ron, is it windy still?
So yeah. Yeah.
It's still windy.
Yeah. Marky, don't wanna eat this one. Maybe you can eat this one later.
I don't feel like eating.
Don't feel like eating. Okay, guys.
Well, we been finished that breakfast.
No, you're not. Don't pushing.
I'm not gonna force you, son, but
I'm gonna finish before. If not,
it'll be your breakfast for tomorrow.
for tomorrow, just
or you can
save
eat it
it.
later on today if you get hungry. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. All right, guys.
So tomorrow we go back home. We go back to our home.
Yeah.
Or go back to North Carolina.
All right, guys. Thank you so
It'll be
much.
your breakfast tomorrow, Mark.
Yeah.
We can't leave no food here. We can't. Anything else we'll have to throw. Maybe throw it for the seagulls. You know, I know they said don't feed them, but
No.
don't, you know.
No. Do not push. Trash. Throw trash. But it was saying trash. Yeah. So
Don't throw it on the beach.
no. Not allowed. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Please
And
like and subscribe. Don't forget to
My-
like the button below so you can watch more videos of the Bradshaw family.
thank you, guys. Yeah. Push the button below, so you are notified our video if we upload a new video.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm in there.